as investigations into the death of Nigerian singer Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, popularly known as MohBad, continues. The Nigeria police says it now has in its custody one of those whose names have repeatedly come up in the course of its findings, and that is the individual Balogun Olamileko, known as Sam Larry, who arrived in Nigeria last night. Well, he was immediately taken into the State Criminal Investigations Department of the Nigeria Police, where he was then handed over to the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of the ongoing investigations, DCP Waheed Ayilara. And this was done by the Commissioner of Police, Lagos Command Idowu Omonwa. He's expected that Sam Larry to help the police with more information in their investigation. The Deputy Commissioner of Police is coordinating a 13-member special investigation team constituted within the homicide section of the State Criminal Investigation Department to investigate the circumstances surrounding the death of MohBad.